In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Chrome back to English. If your Chrome browser suddenly appears in another language, it can be confusing and a little stressful, especially when you can't even read the menus to fix it. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to switch Chrome's interface back to English. I'll describe the icons and positions of the buttons so you can follow along, even if everything on your screen is in a language you don't understand. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser window. You should see the 3 vertical dots, which is the main menu button. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Even if you can't read the text, this menu is always laid out the same way. From this menu, you're looking for the Settings page. Usually, it's near the bottom of the list. If your browser isn't in English, it should still be in the same position, just a few items up from the very bottom. Click on that option, and Chrome will open a new tab with the Settings screen. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a vertical menu with several sections. You want the section that leads to Language Controls. In English, it's called Languages. But if you can't read it, look for the section under Autofill and Privacy and Security, or simply go through each option on the left until you see a heading on the right side that contains a list of languages. Once you've found the language settings, you should see your current language at the top, along with possibly other languages listed below it. Look through the list for English. If you see English, click the 3 dots next to it. Then choose the option that sets it as the display language for Chrome. In English, this option usually says something like, "Display Google Chrome in this language." If English is not listed, click the button that lets you add a language. In English, it appears as Add Languages. A window will pop up with a long list. Scroll until you find English. Choose the version you prefer, such as English, United States, or English, United Kingdom, and then confirm. After adding English, click the 3 dots next to it and select the option to display Chrome in that language. Chrome will usually ask you to relaunch the browser for the change to take effect. Click the Relaunch button. When Chrome opens again, the interface should now be in English.